Hello everyone. Today I am here to share few steps regarding how to make your children cooperate and listen. First one, spend at least your 30 minutes with your child. Keep your phone aside and spend your quality time with your child. Second one, check your tone always. Keep patience and don't get too irritated with them. Use soft words with your child. Third one, stop correcting too much. Let them take decisions too. Respect their decisions and make them understand what is right and what is wrong. Fourth one, be more positive when you talk about them. You can use the words like, he's so kind. You can use this in front of him and in front of others also. So make your child happy always. Understand your child. Let them make some changes. Use these steps and let us make some changes. Thank you.